Congratulations on your purchase. Please follow these helpful steps to install your new Aero deck platform using the direct mount kit. Please note, the direct mount kit is not suitable for use as a roof rack and is only designed for mounting an Aero deck platform. Start by laying out the contents of your direct mount kit. Unlock and remove the covers from the feet. Now install the mounting plates into the direct mount rails and finger tighten one of the installation studs. The mounting plates must align with both holes in the rails, with the bosses facing up. On the underside of each foot, you will find an embossed R or an L. R is for the right side of the vehicle, L is for the left side, determined while sitting in the driver's seat. Depress the clamping screw and slide a left and right foot onto each Aero deck direct mount rail. Now install the direct mount kit to your vehicle using the appropriate Prorack fitting kit. Please refer to our fitting kit instructions. Next, tighten each clamping screw and confirm that the Aero deck direct mount rails are positioned evenly, parallel and securely to your vehicle. Now let's assemble the Aero deck platform. Start with a clear workspace, large enough for your fully assembled platform. You'll be assembling the platform upside down and it's recommended to lay down cardboard or a blanket to prevent damage. Start by identifying the side perimeter beams. These do not have a Prorack logo printed on them. Slide half of the slat clamping plates into the first side perimeter beam channel and the remaining plates into the second side perimeter beam channel. Identify the mounting slats, which have additional channels on the sides which are used to attach the crossbar adapters. Place the mounting slats face down so the accessory slots face the ground. Position the mounting slats at the same approximate distance measured between the installation studs. Now position the standard slats with even spacing. You can adjust this spacing to support rooftop antennas and the opening clearance for a rear tailgate. Join the slats to the slat clamping plates using the M8 washers and nuts. Only finger tight at this point to allow for later adjustment. A reminder, we are assembling the Aero deck platform upside down and the accessory slots should face the ground. Identify and position the front and rear perimeter beams. These have a Prorack logo printed on them. Install the corner brackets into the front and rear perimeter beams. The corner bracket's central screw should be facing downwards. Now insert the corner brackets into the side perimeter beams, leaving all screws loose. You may need to lift and align the wedge blocks of the corner brackets as you install them into the beams. Install the M6 screws into the corner brackets finger tight. Now tighten the M8 side perimeter beam screws. Do not tighten the front or rear perimeter beam screws. These will be tightened when the Aero deck platform is installed on the vehicle. Install the wind deflector to the front perimeter beam by clipping it into the channel along the full length. Now tighten the M8 nuts for the standard slats on one side of the platform only, but leave the mounting slats finger tight. Now it's time to install the platform on the vehicle. Lift the platform and align it onto the installation studs. You can adjust the loose mounting slats to help make this alignment. Install and tighten an M8 by 12mm socket head screw into each mounting plate, using the installation stud to lift the nut into place. Now unscrew the installation stud and install the second M8 by 12mm socket head screw. Complete a final measure to ensure the platform is centered on the vehicle. Now tighten the nuts for each slat. Moving to the corner brackets, tighten each of the M8 screws. Now return and tighten each of the M6 screws of the corner brackets. To install the corner covers, start by unscrewing the cover screw with 4 anti-clockwise rotations. Lift the washer, slide the corner cover into position and retighten. Apply some pressure to the platform at various positions, checking all components are correctly installed and fasteners are now tight. Your installation is complete, well done, and you're now on the road and ready for anything with Prorack.